question says if n minus 1 P3 is to n plus 1 P3 equal to 5 is to 12, how do you find the value of n? So let us start. Since it is given in the form of a ratio, I can write it as n minus 1 P3 divided by n plus 1 P3 is equal to 5 by 12. Or by cross multiplication, we can write it as 12 times n minus 1 P3 is equal to 5 times n plus 1 P3. Now, using that NPR formula, we will expand this. So first one will become now n minus 1 the factorial divided by n minus 1 minus 3 the factorial. Then in the right hand side, it is 5 times n plus 1 the factorial divided by n plus 1 minus 3 the factorial. So now this can be further written as 12 times this n minus 1 factorial. I will write it as n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4. Why I am doing that? Because the denominator is actually n minus 4, the factorial. For that reason, I'm writing like this, the numerator. So n minus 1 factorial is the denominator. So we can cancel this and this. Here it is 5 times. The numerator can be, denominator is actually n plus 1 minus 3, which becomes now n minus 2 the factorial. So now numerator can be written as n plus 1 into n and then next term is n minus 1 and then the next term is n minus 2 the factorial. Now we can cancel this and this. Now this further can be expanded as 12 times n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 is equal to 5 times n plus 1, n minus 1. We can now cancel n minus 1 on both the sides, so that left hand side we have 12 times. Now let us expand this n into n, it is n square minus 3n minus 2n plus 6, and here it is 5 times n square plus n. Now this can be further simplified as 12 times n square, and these together it is 5n minus 5n. So if I multiply with the 12, it becomes minus 60 times n, and 12 6 are 72, so I will write 72. Here it is 5n square plus 5n. So now bringing that 5n square and 5n to the left hand side, I can write it as 12n square minus 5n square minus 60n minus 5n plus 72 equal to 0. Now this is nothing but 7n square minus 65 times n plus 72 equal to 0, equal to minus b, that is minus or minus 65 plus or minus square root of b square, which is minus 65 the square minus 4 times a into c divided by 2 times 7. So if we solve that, we will get 65 plus or minus square root of, let's see what is this, negative 65 square. We get 4225 minus 4 into 7 into 72. We get 2016 divided by 14. So our n will be 65 plus or minus square root of 4225 minus 2016 gives us 2209, and square root of 2209 is 47. So we get 65 plus or minus 47 by 14. So what do we get? One answer is 8 if we consider positive. Other answer is 65 minus 47. We get 18 by 14. Since we need to consider n as integer only, our n value will be 8. That's the solution for this particular problem.